This is complete troubleshooting IT learning tutorial YouTube channel for you. Today in this tutorial we will learn when you did not install third-party software in your PCs and how to solve this problem. At first you see now which program we install. We want to install KMP player. We click it. We are see now we did not install it. Message that option did not complete successfully because the file contain virus or potentially unwanted software. We want to problem this solution. At first you go to Windows Firewall, Windows Security options, and find apps and browser control. We just review, or we go to apps and browser control and scroll down of the mouse and find reputation based protection and scroll down of the mouse and find potentially unwanted apps are blocking. We just off these options and click OK and go to software file and click this is cut this Windows first and refresh one and go to software file. We first download this and we are see now we want to install, and when we click this the automatically found this is and install now. We are see my third party KMP player install and click finished and click OK. We are see this and we are see one software are find. Video are running. In this way we solve this third party software when block account. If this video is benefit for you, so I request you subscribe my channel. Keep watching next tutorial. Thank you very much.